Safe staffing saves lives. That is the message Teamsters Local 332 is spreading as nurses continue day 3 of their strike at Henry Ford Genesys Hospital. The union is asking for better pay and more staff to handle patients. As Mid-Michigan Now's Kyle Macon reports, a little rain isn't scaring the nurses off the picket line.
Chants can be heard right in front of the Henry Ford Genesys Hospital. Hundreds of nurses have walked off the job asking for better working conditions.
We held out every year hoping something was going to change. Each contract, we kept hoping patient ratios would get better, we could retain staff, and we're not there.
For the last 22 years, Lessa Campbell has been a registered nurse at Henry Ford Genesys Hospital. She says since COVID, things have only gotten worse. Nurses are burnt out from being understaffed and taking care of more than 10 patients in a shift.
If you don't have time to check your meds, you can't turn a patient. It sets you up for blood clots, pneumonias, problems that can be life-threatening.
Campbell says often people are waiting up to 10 to 16 hours in the ER waiting for medical attention. Teamsters Local 332 is the union representing the nurses. In the next contract, they're asking for more staff, better pay, and benefits.
Spend a day on the floor with us. Work a day with us so you can understand what we're going through and what we're asking. This isn't about money and increased pay. It's what we need to do your job.
I reached out to Henry Ford Genesys Hospital about the strike, and the hospital says in part, we can report that since the strike has begun, we've seen the strongest nurse-to-patient ratio in a long time. Consider this in the light of the fact that under the contract that expired August 20th, Teamsters were eligible for premium pay based on the number of patients they care for each day, which may incentivize call-offs and decrease the number of nurses available to take care of patients. For that full statement, head to MidMichiganNow.com. The Teamsters are expected to meet with the hospital this Friday to talk about the contract. In the studio, Kyle Macon, Mid-Michigan Now.